This segment sponsored by the Better Business Bureau. Trusted legal services begin with trusted providers. That is why the Better Business Bureau offers trusted advice from accredited business professionals. And sitting with me today is Bert, an attorney with Glaser and Ebbs. Hello, Bert.
Good morning.
Welcome.
How are you? Thank you.
Good.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. Well, this will be rapid fire style questions as we gain some advice, some trusted advice from you. So first, what should someone do after they get into a car accident?
Great question. The law on that, Jessica, is very clear. The driver of a vehicle who's been involved in a crash has to stop immediately, has to render assistance, has to exchange information, and has to call 911. And they have to do all of that safely.
Oh, wow. And at what point should they call an attorney?
Another good question. If they're injured and if they're not being treated fairly by either their insurance company or another insurance company. As you know, insurance companies are for-profit, and sometimes they don't treat folks who have been injured fairly. And if that's the case, then folks ought to reach out and call a lawyer.
And after an accident happens, how is fault determined?
Another great question. Fault in Indiana is determined by who is responsible for the crash. Who ran the red light, who was on their phone, who was distracted. Distracted driving causes a lot of collisions. And so they assess who's at fault. The insurance company does the same thing. And they say, okay, this person, Bert, you were on your phone, you weren't looking, you smacked into the car ahead of you, you're at fault. And the jury assesses that. And in Indiana, if there are more than one person at fault, they assign percentages of fault. And if it's more than 51%, then the person was injured and was suing, they don't recover.
Interesting. Well, thank you so much for that trusted advice today.
You're welcome.
And if you would like more information about the Better Business Bureau, we'll have their website listed below. This segment sponsored by the Better Business Bureau.